All right, here's problem B. You started a fantastic job, at least you think it is. On day one, they pay you $1.50. It kind of sucks, but each day you come back, they're going to pay you double your previous day's work. And you worked for 20 days in the month of January. So what would this series look like? Again, it's a series because we're going to add how much we made each day. So on day one, you made $1.50. Day two, we're going to double that, and we get $3. Then we're going to get $6 on day three. On day four, we get 12 plus ... Right, all the way up to our last day. And we can use our explicit rule for a geometric sequence to figure out how much will we get on the last day. And so for a geometric sequence, it's my first term times my common ratio, which in this case is 2 since we're doubling, raised to the n minus 1 power. And so on the 20th day, we're going to have 150 times 2 to the 19th power. We can type that into our calculator. And we get, on the last day, they're going to give you $786,432. So if we think about it, like, yes, it starts off really slow, but because it's geometric and we're doubling, we're going to start growing much, much quicker. All right, so imagine on the 21st day, you're going to get over $1 million. So writing this in sigma notation, we're going to use, this goes inside our sigma. We start at n equals 1. We're going to go up to 20 days. And our rule is 1.50 times 2 to the n minus 1. So this will generate all of the terms in our series. Question C, how much money will you have after you get paid for all 20 days of work? So now I want to add up, find the actual sum of all these values. And so we know that for a geometric, the sum is equal to the first term in the series times 1 minus r to the n, which is the number of days or the total number of terms, so in this case it's 20, divided by 1 minus r. And so if I plug in my values, my first term in the series is 150, 1 minus 2, I'm going to the 10th or the 20th power, because I worked for 20 total days. Okay, so it's not n minus 1, it's still whatever the term up here is, divided by 1 minus 2. You're going to type that into your calculator. 1 minus 2 to the 20th, divided by 1 minus 2. Notice all of my parentheses. Make sure you include those, otherwise you may get the wrong answer. And so after 20 days, you would have earned sorry about that. So calculating that, you will end up with $1,572,862.50 after 20 days of work, which isn't that bad.